In addition to manipulating the spread so that certain direct cost items will have predefined sell rates and totals, the spread nominations window allows you to control what spread pools are spread across certain items. For example, you might want a certain group of direct cost items to not receive overhead spread, or one item to receive only risk and opportunities. To control which spread pools are spreading across which items, you can simply click here to open up the Properties pane, and then refer to this series of checkboxes. By default, each item will have all the boxes checked, and so will receive a proportional spread from each of the 6 spread pools. When a box is unchecked, the item will no longer receive spread from this pool. As always, using the Properties pane allows you to modify multiple items at once, so unchecking this box will stop all the selected items from receiving overhead spread. Once we save the changes and refresh the spread results window, we can now see that overhead is no longer spread across those selected items. This reduces their sell rates and totals, but will not alter the contract value. We're simply moving the spread around. Alternative to using the Properties pane, you can check these boxes which appear in the Nominations window here, and this is useful for quickly reviewing or setting the nominations. For more information about working with spread nominations, check out the knowledge base article that we've linked below this video.